If you're struggling with verifying your Alipay account, please, the verification is going through. Like today, I think two of my people, those I'm training, they actually verified their Alipay account successfully. Verification is going through. I've been getting people saying, oh, verification is not going through. It has not been going through before now, but currently, if you do it correctly, you're going to get verified in minutes, not even 24 hours. Within minutes, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you're done. Let me explain to you. Now, I cannot do it practical. Reason is because my Alipay, all the Alipay accounts I have on my phones are all verified. But because of the process that my people have followed and theirs is verified, I'm going to explain it to you theoretically. You can go ahead and do it. Trust me, if you do it correctly and you follow this step, your Alipay account will be verified. Now, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on where you see scan passport chip. That is where the main thing is. Go ahead and click on where scan passport chip. That is where most of you are making mistake. Your passport chip is that small chip you're seeing in front of your passport. In front of your passport, in front of the cover, not the info page, not the information page where your date of birth and everything is. On top of the cover of your passport, you will see something, a square chip, right? That is your passport chip. Now they need you to pick your phone, clean your phone camera. Some of you just go ahead and place. No, the first thing you need to do is wipe the camera of your phone so that it will get the chip, clearly. After wiping it, you then place your phone camera. In fact, before you place it, they will show you, Alipay will show you exactly how to do it. You will notice that the chip is down, but they require you to place your phone camera up here. Do you understand? You are not placing your phone camera exactly on the chip. If you place your phone camera exactly on the chip, it will not go through. You need to lift it up a bit. The down part of your camera will definitely get it. You lift it up a bit like this, and then you scan. Do you understand? It's not difficult. Where the problem is you placing your phone camera correctly on the chip. If you don't place it correctly, it will not get the full info they want to get from your passport chip. So once you place it correctly, it's going to scan, and once it's scanned, they will say good. After scanning, they will require you to do face verification. Before now, after scanning, you're done. But currently, immediately it's scanned correctly, or immediately you notice that you've moved to the next step of face verification, just know that your scanning is successful. Do you understand? So immediately after scanning, you will get a notification to verify your face. Now, to verify your face, you're using your front camera. Again, you wipe your front camera, look for a cloth and wipe it, and place your phone. There will be like an illustration picture. They need just your face, not your neck, your collar. No, this round face you're seeing, that's what they need. So you place your phone camera, bring it closely so it can show all around your face. Blink when they ask you to blink, stay still when they ask you to stay still. After that process, that's it. They will see good. Once you go and check it, you will notice that your Alipay has been verified. Verifying Alipay account currently is not as difficult as it was months back. Once you place your camera icon correctly on your chip, they will get your information from there. Once that is successful, you are good to go. So please, before you do that, wipe your phone camera. You may be asking, well, Onyi, I don't think I need to worry about Alipay again. I am making payments with my card. Good and fine. You all know that before now, it was impossible for you to make payments on 1688 with your card. So you don't know what will happen tomorrow. So if you have your international passport, just go ahead and verify your Alipay account since it is currently going through. It is a win-win for you. You can be making use of your Alipay. You can be making use of your card. Do you understand me? Anyone that is convenient for you. But if you have your international passport, go ahead and try verifying your Alipay account again, because I know lots of people that have their international passport. In fact, some people, went to do this international passport specifically for their Alipay account and it has not been going through. Please try it again. Use the process I've explained. Clean your phone camera, place your phone correctly. Just look at what they show you. You'll see how they place their phone in um a square line a little bit ahead of the chip. Place your phone correctly that way. After that, do your face verification and you will see that your Alipay is verified. Okay, try it, and if yours get verified, come leave a comment for us in the comment section so that other people can see that yes, it is working perfectly fine now, and they'll be encouraged to go ahead and verify their own Alipay account. Another advantage why you need to verify your Alipay account, even if you're already making payments successfully with your card, is maybe RMB rate is dropping. You know, RMB rate is dropping very well. You can decide to buy RMB and store it in your Alipay account. I did that last year. Was it last year or last 2 years? There was a time when RMB dropped so well. I was able to use the Naira. I didn't want to buy anything at that point, but because I have my Alipay account that is working perfectly fine for years, I was able to buy RMB and just keep it there. Immediately when it was up and I wanted to buy something, I used it up immediately. Some people tell you that this might not be the best, but it is working for me, because I saw somebody that said, oh, she used her Alipay to buy RMB when it was cheap, and the Alipay just all of a sudden got unverified and her money gone. Okay, but in all, just do what works for you. This is me trying to tell you all that Alipay verification is working perfectly fine now. Go ahead and verify your Alipay. I love you.